a little concept mouthfully called if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals string underscore underscore main underscore underscore. We'll do the module part of things. In a.py, we'll do from mymath import add comma squared. And surprisingly, right here we can pause and learn a concept. Before we've added any actual code to run here, we can run this code and we'll get output. We'll see 4 as output. It turns out calling main unconditionally at the bottom of mymath like this really does it unconditionally. So even when you're just trying to import functionality into A, that main function from mymath gets run. What this says is, if this script is being called directly, meaning you are directly running mymath in this case, then call the code inside this conditional. So let's move this to mymath so it can work. So we should move the call to main within this if statement. The converse of this is, if you're merely importing the script, then a.py in our case wouldn't run mymath's main function. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.